Alright guys, so I want to give a massive shout out to a couple different people. First off is Pierre over at Joyride Designs. I also want to thank Han and Alpha and all the guys over at Ape Auto. Thank you guys so much. We leave for Edmonton Driven tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning?
Yeah.
Shit. I kind of decided to go full send for it.
Possible future collaboration in the works with this, and then we can be a full Infamous demo team.
Yeah, this.
Jesse finally got here. This is our booth area and these spots here.
Booth's bumping. So David managed to come down with his Evo. Looks amazing. This has got to be one of our favorite kits. This is a new design we just came out with. Vented side skirt extension. So we actually just finished this diffuser, what was it, 2 days ago, 3 days ago now. The cool thing about this one is it's all one piece, so very solidly mounted. This car is a full time attack build, as you can tell by the fuel cell back there. But yeah, it's a little dark, but the whole diffuser is chassis mounted and one piece, so it's very solid. Even this one. We got our buddy Matt's car here, Infamous diffuser, Veilside R33. This is the one he's getting. I'll show you it in there. Damn, so yeah, Matt was saying the cap came off of his Veilside knob. Putting the 525 in.
Is it the right thing?
Should be, yeah. There it is.
Do you want a slap?
A slap?
You want one? Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah, I do. Is this you? Midnight Fortune?
Yeah, I've just been messing around with some stuff.
Damn, yo, I like that. Yes. Midnight Fortune.jp. Damn, that is cool. Yo, I'll put this on my car now, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Driven show was crazy, probably one of the busiest I've ever seen, honestly. Thanks to everyone that came out and said hi and supported. Much appreciated. We actually managed to sell a few shift knobs too, which is pretty cool. And yeah, unfortunately the house is a duplex, which we did not know about. So we got finessed by Airbnb.
Yo, show the camera the brake.
Oh yeah. This guy is a car enthusiast.
Oh yeah, look at this. Green drum brakes.
Dude, that is sick. We could put a car in the garage.
I mean, there is a garage for you,
I'm okay with leaving them outside.
Devin's cooking show.
Devin wants to start a cooking channel. What are you teaching us today?
I'm teaching you the basics of chopping the herb.
Making a salad.
Yo, what's going on? In less than 2 days, we are going to be driving these cars all the way to Vancouver. But before we can do that, there's some maintenance that I need to get to on my car. I'm going to be doing a Hikest Elite crunch time before we leave. And I actually just have this right now. I'm still waiting on the Torms. They'll be here tomorrow, but I thought I would get these out of the way. For those of you guys with Skylines, you'll know the ball joints in the end tend to seize in there.
You guys have to use this if you need to like pull out your end links or outer tie rods. If the bushing is like seized in there through corrosion and stuff, not being touched for years, this thing gets it out in a sec.
We just got back from Edmonton this weekend, and the whole drive, I could just hear my back wheels rattling.
Someone's at our door.
Right now I'm cutting the old tie rod end off so we can push the bushing out.
Yeah, because this bushing's wrecked. Cool, and then we're gonna go test fit. Jesse, what is this?
I made a canard out of carbon fiber.
Wow.
Pretty cool, actually. But the finish is really bad on it, so I'm gonna try to like go over it and save it.
This is probably one of the best pieces we've made so far.
Some of the wing risers are okay, but...
And if you guys haven't seen the livery already, damn!
Oh, they've seen it.
For the viewers that haven't, ooh, damn!
Pretty good fit, man.
Wow.
Like, I think I'm gonna add to the edge trim.
That's
just
impressive.
do like a V1 carbon canard. You know, we'll get better at it later, and we'll do like the folded edge and stuff like that. But for now, this is just like, I just wanted to get something built, even if it wasn't that good. So this is like, you know, it's the progress. You gotta show the progress, and like this is a step that we're taking to get to where we want to be. So
Exactly.
I think that looks pretty sick too.
That looks fucking sick, dude.
Yeah, nobody really builds canards like this for Supras. So
Yeah, show them the flex on that thing too, how strong it is. Like,
it's pretty durable. Like you could obviously snap it if you really reefed on it, but like it snaps back into place. You can tell the weave pattern. It folds with the weave pattern. So I should have done it a little bit differently maybe, but overall pretty good. I think it's gonna like hold its shape nicely.
we got Mr. Blue here, Brandon. This is sick. I didn't even see this. I wonder if he probably had it on for the show, but let's see. That's pretty sick. Damn, my car looks good on camera. Holy fuck.
Wow, look at that. You still got the red markings.
Interesting.
These are good quality tires. I'm extremely impressed. These are toast. Look at that.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, so I guess the story on this is my alignment was, it slipped out, and I didn't really notice it until obviously it was too late. But you could see like the toe was kind of fucked up, so we're correcting that by swapping the front tires to the rear. So I'll be running 265s in the rear, and then I picked up some 255s for the front. A little bit smaller setup, but I think the Zestinos are grippy enough that it'll still be good. So this is 18 by 10.5 plus 12, I believe.
Jesus.
That's a big wheel.
True. Dude, you should call Rev.
Oh, those fit mint. Wow, I should have got those.
What?
Yeah.
When you rock the
Oh,
course,
that's my wheel.
you
Your front on the rear.
should rock the courses on the 33.
No, for some reason I thought that the 10.5 plus 12 would be too pokey.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know if would these look good on the R33? Let us know.
Making a pollen ball.
A pollen ball. The pollen is balling.
Yeah, I got pollen. Yeah, I'm balling. Yeah, I got pollen. Yeah, I'm balling. Devin's a big pyro. He wants to light this in his hand.
Oh my god!
That got hot quick, dude.
Dude, yeah.
Yo, let's see your alignment settings. Settings, dude.
My alignment settings. Like, yeah, it's like a video game. Here's like the final specs, so.
Nice. You are in check, dude. Ready for a road trip.
Some jobs are just to the point where you don't want to film it. You'd rather just get it done.
Yeah.
Especially before a road trip.
Yeah, I was in such a time crunch, had to get it done.
But we are good to go. What the fuck are those, man? What are you guys doing?
Transporting.
Literally just finished Jonah's rear control arm bushings last night. This car is in so much better condition now. You can actually drive it, right, Jonah?
It's not like a skating rink anymore.
Yeah, word. Gonna fill up some PSI and tires because some air in there. Yeah. Okay.
You gotta sleep, bro.
Shit, dude. PSI'd up. So any thoughts or comments before we head on this trip?
I just want to go the speed limit. I don't want any trouble. Just want to be careful and just stay close. You know, make sure we got each other's backs. We got a lot of tools and shit in case we need to pull over. We got some food, so let's just take it easy. Have a good day. And
Got the infamous livery. Shout out to Kansas, Ape Auto Accessories, Joyride. This thing's gonna look sick on the way to van.
Yo, you should plug Ape right now. You should be like, check out Ape. They did this.
check out Ape, guys. They did the whole livery on the side.
We'll put their Instagram right here.
Well, like multiple plugs is good.
Yeah, seriously guys, massive shout out to Ape Auto for like hooking up this whole livery, because this honestly wouldn't be possible without them, so thank you.
And they did it
guys
really
so
quick.
much. So quick.
Yeah.
So quick. Literally 4 hours it took them to do the whole thing.
It's the day
Couldn't be
before
happier
Driven
with it.
Edmonton, right?
Yeah, it was.
All repping the new Progress hoodie. If you haven't seen the hoodies yet. Mr. Skinny Jeans over here.
I'm not even wearing jeans, bro.
Fight. You should just fight, yo.